Hey everyone, I'm Ranjani, your go-to realtor. Today I've got a story to share, one that perfectly captures the roller coaster ride of the housing market. So my clients fresh off the California coast decided to make the leap to Washington. They were all set for a smooth 1031 exchange. Well, it's a fancy term for swapping properties by deferring capital gains tax. Sounds straightforward, right? Well, not in our case. Their California home, immaculate. All paperwork signed, sealed, delivered. But then, out of the blue, the HOA decided to play hardball. 10 days before closing, they ordered an inspection. No biggie, right? You would think so. The culprit, the water heater. A sprightly 1 year old, mind you. But the city inspector had to give it the thumbs up. And guess what? That pushed our closing date into the greatest unknown. Stress levels were through the roof. Meanwhile, here in Washington, my clients were feeling pretty confident. They had their offer accepted in California and they decided, let's go and put in an offer here. Their California home was stuck in a limbo. We didn't think of that. The inspector kept rescheduling like a flaky friend who wouldn't commit to brunch. Now, imagine the scene, a hot market, fierce competition, and my clients caught in the crossfire. Their strong offer suddenly hanging by a thread. No recession, no safety net, and the sellers here, well, they decided to play musical chair with their home. They went back on the market while still in contract with us and went ahead and accepted another offer. Suddenly, they were contract with two parties, and we don't know where we stand. So here we were, not sure whether we are in contract or out of contract, and it was like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But fear not, we swooped in like our real estate superheroes. Lawyers, attorneys, and a dash of caffeine. We threw everything at the puzzle. We got our clients clarity, protection, and made sure they were still back in the game. And those 1031 deadlines, we had to guard them like precious gems. 45 days to identify a property, 180 days to close. In the end, we emerged victorious and our clients were safely back on track. And me, well, I learned that every twist and turn in real estate adds another layer of expertise to my knowledge. Challenges, bring them on. So, dear friends, remember that behind every for sale sign lies a saga, and in the chaos, we find our strength. So, cheers to our resilience, to navigating the wild waves of this market, and for turning challenges into triumphs. And that's a wrap. So, if you enjoyed this tale, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and stay tuned for more real estate adventures. Till then, goodbye, and reach out to me if you have any questions.